Direct tax laws and international taxation statutory update for January 2026 examination, the November 2024 edition of the study material based on the provisions of direct tax laws as amended by Finance Act 2024 and significant notification circulars issued up to 30th June 2025 are relevant for January 26 examination. The relevant assessment year for January 26 examination is assessment year 25-26. The following significant notification circulars issued up to 30th June 25 are also relevant for January 26, but not covered in the November 24 edition of the study material. So, chapter number 4, capital gain, these are the summary of the changes. In capital gains, bonds issued by HUDCO notified as long-term specified asset for Section 54 EC exemption. Notification number 31/2025 dated 7 April 2025. Next is chapter number 13, deduction, collection and recovery of tax. In this, first is non-applicability of DDS provisions in respect of certain payments made to specified units located in IFSC. Notification number 28/2024 dated 7th March 2024. In examination, you do not need to quote the notification number. Applicability of Section 197A 1D and Section 1015(8) to interest paid by IFSC bank units (IBUs). Circular number 26/2016 dated 4th of July 2016. Non-applicability of TDS under Section 194N on cash withdrawals by persons or class of persons as notified by central government. Notification number 123/2024 dated 28th November 2024. Persons notified by the central government on payment to whom no tax is required to be deducted at source. Notification number 128/2024 dated 18th December 24. Notification number 1/2025, 2/2025 and 3/2025 dated 2nd of January 2025. Persons notified by the central government not to be considered as buyer for the purpose of collection of tax at source under Section 206(c)(1)(h). Notification number 6/2025 dated 6th of January 2025. Waiver of levy of interest under Section 2011A Clause 2, 206C subsection 7 in specified cases. Circular number 5/2025 dated 28th March and circular number 8/2025 dated 1st of July 2025. Chapter 15, assessment procedures. Notified date for intimation of Aadhaar number by person who has been allotted PAN before 1st of October 2024 on the basis of Aadhaar enrollment ID. Chapter 19, provisions to counteract unethical tax practices. Guidelines for compounding of offences under the Income Tax Act 1961, along with FAQs on such guidelines. Chapter number 20, tax audit and ethical compliances. Amendment in particulars of Form 3CD. Chapter number 21, non-resident taxation. Conditions for non-resident engaged in the business of operation of cruise ships for Section 44 BBC notified. Notification number 9/2025 dated 21st January 25. Time limit for submission of statement by a non-resident having license office in India. Chapter 24, transfer pricing. Safe harbor rules for determination of arm's length price in respect of income referred to in Section 9(1) subclause 1. 9 subsection 1 clause 1. Conditions and activities notified for finance companies to qualify for exclusion from the applicability of the provisions of Section 94. Safe harbor rules for determination of arm's length price under Section 92C or Section 92CA. We'll start this in next video.